Good morning world, my name is Marko and I'm the founder of the Help the Oceans, and today we're gonna have in a really interesting topic. We're gonna talk about, for you, let me put everything this back together. Gonna talk about to you today about our world's one of the most precious location, as that location is connected to the so many other things. So today's topic is the ticking time bomb, Tasman Sea's horrible plastic pollution. So today I stand before you as a founder of the Help the Oceans organization. I'm deeply concerned about the precise state of the Tasman Sea, a body of the water that connects Australia and New Zealand. This once pristine maritime environment is now facing a grave threat, a horrible surge of plastic pollution. The situation is escalating day after day, and we must act swiftly, as it is ticking time bomb, ultimately affecting one of the world's most precious natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef. Yes, you heard me correctly, Great Barrier Reef. And to make it clear to all of you out there, I've been at sea working all around the world, 34 years. I've been on the Great Barrier Reef about 4 times. I know how it is precious world wonders. There is so many restrictions. Let me take my coffee. As I'm a sailor, I'm a seaman. I've been on the rudder on the cruise ships. We have a pilot all the time on board before we entering in the Great Barrier Reef. It's really narrow entrance and the routes to passing over there for the ships. So the ship's propeller, anything from the ships, do not damage the Great Barrier Reef. So today is the part of the, as it is, Great Barrier Reef is the part of the Tasman Sea, as the whole world of oceans are connected to each other. And there is not any kind of common sense to say that no, they are not connected. They are connected. It's a world of seas. Water flows, water goes everywhere in our planet. So it is the alarming reality. So let us confront the harsh reality head on. Plastic pollution in the Tasman Sea has reached unprecedented levels. Each year, astonishing amount of plastic waste, estimated to be several million metric tons, find its way to these waters. Plastic debris has become ubiquitous, floating on the surface, sinking to the depth, and even washing up to the remote beaches. You heard it correctly. It is ticking time bomb. It is also devastating. It's creating a devastating impact on the maritime life, not only in the Tasman Sea. It just continue connecting the oceans to the oceans. It is traveling. The consequences of the plastic on slaughter are nothing short of devastating. Marine life on the Tasman Sea, from microscopic plankton to magnificent whales, is facing grave threat its survival. Sea turtles mistakenly plastic bags from the jellyfish they ingest them, leading to the severe death, severe health issues, and often to the death. Can you imagine? Tiny or big 100 years old sea turtle eating on your plastic bag, would you throw it somewhere? Then the turtle eats that one, ingested, suffering death. They're drowning because they can't eat. It's blocking their airways. It's blocking everything. Countless seabirds become entangled in the plastic ropes and netting, unable to escape and eventually perishing. The delicate balance of the maritime ecosystem is rapidly eroding under the weight of this human-made menace. We all are part of it. And there is no any possibility that you say that you are not. You are part of it, I am part of it, every single living human being is part of it. You like it or not, but that's how it is. In planktons of the Great Barrier Reef, the implications of the Tasman Sea's plastic pollution go far beyond its immediate vicinity. The Tasman Sea currents carry plastic particles towards to the Great Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the earth. These plastics, like silent invaders, threaten to infiltrate the reef, delicate corals, disturbing their growth and causing irreparable damage to the natural wonder. It is really hard to see and think about it. But this is actually reality. So this is race against the time. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. My friend, the clock is ticking, and we are in a race against the time to save the Tasman Sea and to protect the Great Barrier Reef. The current trajectory of the plastic pollution is unsustainable, and if we don't take immediate action, we will risk losing these vital maritime ecosystems forever. So we have to take action. The path of the redemption. However, all is not lost and hope still remains. It is crucial for each one of us to take responsibility and contribute to the solution. Number one, raising awareness. We must raise awareness about the severity of the plastic pollution in the Tasman Sea and its implicable of the Great Barrier Reef. Knowledge is the first step towards to the action. Number two, promoting sustainable practices. Embrace sustainable lifestyle by recycling single or reducing single use of plastics, promoting recycling and supporting eco-friendly alternatives. Every small steps counts. Small steps counts. Number 3, supporting cleanup initiatives. Advocate and support organizations and the governments that focus on the cleaning up plastic waste for the sea and the shores. Volunteering in the beaches, cleanups, and will make a real difference. Advocating for the policy changes. Urge your government to enact and enforce strict regulations of plastic productions and usage and disposal. Our collective voice can bring significant change. We humans, we do have a voice. Number 5, initiative and research. Support research initiatives aiming to finding innovative solutions to tackle plastic pollution, such as biodegradable materials and advanced recycling technologies. So, like in Help Oceans, all the small support for our organization is really appreciated. Thank you for that. Even supporting us in the small steps, like a cost of 1 coffee cup or 1 tea cup, you make a big difference. If we think about it also, if you like the channels, clicking, sharing, and tell your friends, sharing also help us. We all know how the media works nowadays. So, conclusion for all the big jobs. As a public, I personally impact each one of you to recognize the urge of the situation and act together to combat the Tasman Sea's horrible plastic pollution. We have the power to reverse this devastating cause, to protect not only the Tasman Sea but also the iconic Great Barrier Reef. So let us stand united in our commitment to preserving these precious maritime environments for the future generations. Now we're just talking. We do have to make in our steps to preserve ocean, because there will be next generation, then there will be next generation. And if we don't do something or starting the process now, future generation, as always, they're going to complain. We did not do anything. So we do have to stand. The time act is now. And it starts with each one of us making conscious effort to reduce plastic waste and champion of the cause to ocean conversations. Help the Ocean is here now, so all your help will bring us out to the sea, and we will make a difference. We as a Help the Oceans, but all us together, we can defuse the ticking time bomb of the plastic pollution and ensure the cleaner, healthier and more vibrant Tasman Sea and Great Barrier Reef for all. Thank you for your time, because this is one of the most important issue what we have it at today's talk. And like in always, I will continue to talk to you regarding different part of in our earth and the sea, what is happening everywhere. And like I said it, once we, with your help, as Help the Oceans, we're getting out to the sea, we're gonna have a Starlink over there, or any other global communication system which might coming up in later on. And you're gonna see all the plastic, good, small, big, large. You're gonna see it live because we're gonna do it live broadcasting out to sea. And you don't see editing. You don't see something which looks nice because they want to make it look ocean nice. Our objective is to show you really live, not edited, what is out to sea. Because it is really, really bad. And I can say, like said it in the beginning, I seen it. I've been there 34 years. And I want to take you with me to the ocean in a real live broadcasting. So you can say that you saw it live. Until the next time, my name is Marko Häinen, I'm the founder of the Help the Oceans, and I hope to see you soon. Hopefully you like it, hopefully you share it, hopefully you watch it, and tell your friends to do the same, because that will grow and help the oceans, and we will make one step at a time to clean the oceans. Thank you for the next time. Bye bye.